Here we go with the Notes app. This is an app that allows you to write notes to yourself, and you can organize them into folders. And it starts at the top level where you create a folder, and then you create a note, and then of course you can drill into the contents of that note. And so this will just give you a tour of the app and show you what it does. And it starts, so we can create a folder or we can look at what's already in here. Let's go see my folders. And you can see we're looking at the folder list. So this is a list of the 7 folders that are already in the app. And we can click this button to see what's in the to-do list folder. And it tells us we're in the to-do list folder. And these are 2 notes. So we have an eggs note and a bread note. And we can see the eggs note. Very simple. It tells us that we're in the to-do list folder and we're looking at note ID 2. And it just says eggs, get eggs from the store. We can go back to notes, we can go back to folders. Let's go back up to the notes. We're back in the to-do list folder, looking at all the notes. We've got the bread note. Let's just go back up to the folder list and we can see any other folders. So let's go look at the TV shows, and then we can look at Veep or Brooklyn Nine-Nine and go back to notes. Now we're back looking at the notes in the TV shows folder, and now we're looking at all the folders, and we can even go back to the top level. So that's kind of how it works. You go down to the folder list level, then you can go down to the note list level, and then you can go down into individual notes. So let's come all the way back up to the top and let's create a folder. So we'll call this projects code completed, and we'll submit this folder. And now when we see my folders, we can see that there we go. There's the folder we just added. And we can click into that folder. And of course, since we just added it, there are no notes in this folder. But let's add a note. We'll call this, we did a crew app. This shows crew birthdays. So we can submit this. And it takes us right back to the folder view, and we're looking at our note. And then we can just look at our note, what we just typed in, crew app. This shows crew birthdays. And we can go, we could add another note. What's another kind of app we built? We built the Notes app. This saves notes in folders. And this is a text area right here, so you can really type a lot in there. And we save it, and then we've got our 2 folders. And we go back to the level and we can see all of our folders. So we've got a bunch of folders, bunch of notes, and that's basically the Notes app. We'll get started in the next video.